Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the obvious physical and software blockers. First, power down and visually inspect the lightning port. Debris commonly blocks pins. Remove it gently with a dry brush or toothpick. Next, swap to a known good Apple-certified cable and adapter. Cables fail often, so testing on another iPhone or charging device isolates the cable versus phone. Once done, force restart the iPhone. That clears a frozen power state and confirms whether charging is a hardware symptom or software hiccup. Now perform deeper diagnostics to localize the fault. Open settings, battery health, low maximum capacity, or disabled peak performance signals, battery wear and may prevent charging. Note percentages. If your model supports Qi charging, try wireless charging. Success there isolates the lightning port as the problem. Finally, ensure iOS is current. If problems persist, back up and restore via Finder or iTunes, using recovery mode when needed. Software restores can repair charging firmware conflicts that block power negotiation. Finish by selecting the right repair path based on what you learned. If the port is damaged or wireless charging worked, a lightning connector replacement or battery swap at an Apple store or certified shop usually fixes it. Always request a price and warranty. Make sure future chargers are Apple or MFI certified to protect the logic board. If after a hardware swap the phone still won't charge, run diagnostics with Apple support. They can detect motherboard faults or liquid damage that DIY won't reveal and advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.